Creality K2 Combo Review, a powerful multicolor 3D printer that's easy to use. The desktop 3D printing market has become more competitive than ever, with manufacturers racing to deliver faster, smarter, and more user-friendly machines. Creality's K2 Combo is one of the company's most ambitious offerings, combining high-speed Core XY printing with multicolor capabilities and intelligent automation. Designed for hobbyists, makers, engineers, and small businesses alike, the K2 Combo aims to simplify complex printing tasks without sacrificing performance. A recent hands-on review praised the printer for its excellent print quality and beginner-friendly experience, highlighting its reliable operation and straightforward setup. Premium design and build quality. The Creality K2 Combo features a fully enclosed frame that not only improves print consistency, but also makes it suitable for printing engineering-grade materials. The enclosed chamber helps maintain stable temperatures, reducing warping when printing materials such as ABS, ASA, and nylon. Its sturdy metal construction minimizes vibrations during high-speed printing while providing a premium appearance. The printer includes a large touchscreen interface that is responsive and easy to navigate, making daily operations simple even for users new to 3D printing. The transparent enclosure also allows users to monitor prints while helping maintain optimal internal temperatures. Multicolor printing with CFS. One of the K2 Combo's biggest highlights is the Creality Filament System, CFS. Unlike traditional single-filament printers, the CFS automatically switches between different filament colors during printing. This enables users to create colorful models without manually changing filament. The system supports automatic filament loading, automatic filament switching, multicolor printing, multi-material workflows, RFID filament recognition with compatible filaments for creators producing figurines, educational models, prototypes, or decorative objects. This feature dramatically expands creative possibilities. Large build volume. The printer offers a generous build area that allows users to produce larger objects or multiple smaller models simultaneously. Its spacious print volume makes it suitable for functional prototypes, cosplay components, mechanical parts, home decor, product design, engineering projects. The larger workspace reduces the need to split oversized models into multiple sections. High-speed Core XY printing. Like many modern premium printers, the K2 Combo uses a Core XY motion system, allowing rapid print speeds while maintaining impressive accuracy. The lightweight motion system reduces inertia, enabling smooth movements and cleaner surface finishes. Combined with intelligent motion algorithms, the printer delivers faster production, better dimensional accuracy, reduced ringing, improved layer consistency. This makes it an excellent choice for users printing multiple parts every day. Excellent print quality. Print quality is where the K2 Combo truly shines. Testing showed clean layer lines, sharp edges, and consistent dimensional accuracy across various models. Even complex geometries, overhangs, and bridges printed successfully with minimal defects. The automatic calibration system significantly reduced common printing problems, allowing users to achieve successful prints with very little manual tuning. Whether printing decorative models or functional components, the results are consistently impressive. Automatic calibration features. The K2 Combo includes several smart automation tools that simplify setup and improve reliability. These include automatic bed leveling, input shaping, pressure advanced calibration, intelligent nozzle calibration, print monitoring. These automated processes remove much of the guesswork traditionally associated with FDM 3D printing, making the printer accessible to beginners while saving time for experienced users. Material compatibility. Thanks to its enclosed design and advanced hotend, the K2 Combo supports a broad range of filament materials, including PLA, PETD, PU, ABS, ASA, nylon, carbon fiber reinforced materials, compatible variants. This versatility makes the printer suitable for both creative projects and professional prototyping. Software experience. The K2 Combo works with Creality Print, which provides an intuitive slicing experience and seamless integration with the printer. Users can prepare models quickly, assign colors for multicolor prints, generate automatic supports, monitor print progress, manage filament profiles, Reviewers found the software effective for most workflows, although beginners may need a little time to learn some advanced features. Beginner-friendly setup. Despite being a feature-rich printer, setup is surprisingly straightforward. Most of the assembly is already completed at the factory. Users primarily need to remove transportation locks, attach the display, connect the CFS system, load filament, run automatic calibration. After calibration, the printer is ready for its first print within a relatively short time. Everyday reliability. Long-term testing demonstrated dependable operation with very few print failures. Automatic bed leveling, reliable filament feeding, and strong first-layer adhesion contributed to consistent print success across extended use. Community feedback has generally been positive as well, though some users have reported occasional firmware or hardware issues, suggesting that experiences can vary depending on setup and maintenance. Advanced connectivity and smart features. Beyond its impressive hardware, the Creality K2 Combo offers a modern connected printing experience that enhances convenience and productivity. The printer supports Wi-Fi and Ethernet connectivity, allowing users to send print jobs remotely and monitor progress without staying next to the machine. Through Creality's software ecosystem, users can manage multiple print tasks, receive status updates, and control certain printer functions from their computer or compatible mobile devices. An integrated camera option also enables remote print monitoring, helping users detect potential issues before they lead to failed prints. Combined with regular firmware updates that introduce new features and performance improvements, these smart capabilities ensure the K2 Combo remains up to date while providing a more streamlined and efficient workflow for makers, educators, designers, and small businesses handling frequent 3D printing projects. Pros: excellent print quality, multicolor printing support, fast Core XY architecture, fully enclosed chamber, large build volume, automatic calibration, beginner-friendly operation, wide filament compatibility, solid construction, reliable day-to-day performance. Cons: multicolor prints consume additional filament during color changes. The printer requires a relatively large workspace due to its enclosed design. Initial setup of the CFS system may take some learning for first-time users. Final verdict: the Creality K2 Combo successfully combines speed, automation, and multicolor capabilities into a polished desktop 3D printer. Its enclosed Core XY design, dependable print quality, intelligent calibration, and CFS multi-filament system make it a compelling option for hobbyists, creators, educators, and professionals alike. While the multicolor workflow introduces extra filament waste and the machine occupies more space than compact printers, its overall performance and ease of use outweigh these minor drawbacks. For anyone looking to step into advanced FDM printing without dealing with constant manual adjustments, the Creality K2 Combo is a strong contender that delivers consistent, high-quality results.